The graph shows the function f of x is equal to 4x minus x squared minus 3 and g of x is equal to 1 minus x. Solve the equation 4x minus x squared minus 3 is equal to 1 minus x. So on this graph sheet, we have the graph of two functions. The first one is a quadratic function, and it is given by f of x is equal to 4x minus x squared minus 3. And the second one is a linear function, and it's given by g of x is equal to 1 minus x. The question wants us to use the graph of these two functions to solve the equation 4x minus x squared minus 3 is equal to 1 minus x. As we can clearly see on our graph sheet, the function f of x is equal to 4x minus x squared minus 3 gives us the curve, and the function g of x is equal to 1 minus x gives us the line. The question wants us to use this to find the solution of the equation 4x minus x squared minus 3 is equal to 1 minus x. If you look at this equation very well, you can see that it was formed by equating the curve to the line. The curve is given by the function 4x minus x squared minus 3, and the line is given by the function 1 minus x. This equation was formed by equating the curve to the line. In that case, the solution to this equation will be the s-coordinates of the points of intersection of the line and the curve on the graph sheet. On the graph sheet, we can see that the line and the curve intersect at 2 points. This is the first point, and this is the second point. The s-coordinates of these points will give us the solution of this equation. The s-coordinate of the first point is 1. For the second point, if we trace it to the x-axis, the s-coordinate there is 4. So it means that the solution of this equation are 1 and 4.